Our next topic is conditional probability. This is finding the probability of event B given that event A has already occurred. And this is the notation for conditional probability. On questions involving conditional probability, we don't look at the entire sample space. We have to narrow our focus. These first questions want us to use the correct conditional probability notation. Let V be the event that a randomly chosen person takes a daily multivitamin. Let S be the event that a randomly chosen person got sick this year. Use the correct conditional probability notation for the following. The probability that a randomly chosen person got sick this year, given that the person takes a daily multivitamin. And that's going to be the probability of S, and then the line, and then V. And that's because we already know that the person takes the multivitamin. Number 2 is the same two events, except for now it says find the probability that a randomly chosen person takes a daily multivitamin given that the person got sick this year. So this is the exact reverse because we know that the person got sick and we are asked the probability that the person takes a vitamin.